You're probably wondering, why is my trunk open? Well, let me show you what I'm looking at. LASFIT. More LASFIT bulbs. I got rear turn signal bulbs, running light brake light bulbs, and reverse light bulbs. Got the halogen bulbs hanging, and they're about to be gone. So, out with the old, and in with the new. Turn signal working, brake light working, and the reverse light is working. Passenger side has the new bright, safer LED bulbs. And look at the pitiful driver side. Talk about safety. Y'all need to go get you some LASFIT LED bulbs for your car. About same price as halogens, last longer, much brighter and safer.